Have you ever wondered how a road sign is manufactured? Hi-Vis Group is one of the largest signage manufacturers in Australia, producing over 100,000 signs a year. Here we have two variants of a sign that will be used in roadwork areas. The customer requires 950 of these signs with a quick workaround time. This is made possible with the company's $22 million investment in manufacturing equipment. Let's have a look at how this process begins. Large steel coils weighing up to 5 tons are loaded onto a piece of equipment called a decoiler. This process unwinds the steel, which is then fed through a machine that flattens, straightens and guillotines to the required length. A 400-metre steel coil can be cut into its desired sizes in just minutes. The cut sheets are then sent to a large turret press machine that is accurately programmed to cut the corners of the sheet metal. Using its 88 industrial tools, it quickly loads the correct tool and can cut the shape within seconds. The large stockpile of sheets are then sent to one of Australia's finest high-volume printers. These printers are capable of printing up to 3.2 metre wide graphics at printing industry leading output of up to 240 square metres per hour. The steel sheets are fed into the back of the printer, which have been programmed to print black borders around the frame. In one day, 500 sheets will be printed, nearly the space of 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Simultaneously running on a second production line, large rolls of orange reflective vinyl are cut to size that will later be applied onto each sign. This high-tech piece of equipment uses multiple cutting devices, whilst a strong vacuum under the bed surface holds the vinyl in place. This machine can travel at 1 metre per second. The vinyl is then transferred to a screen printing area. A squeegee is moved across the screen to fill the open mesh apertures with ink, printing the graphic. This printing technology is a traditional method that gives an outdoor finish of up to 12 years. The two production lines meet together at the lamination station. The steel and reflective vinyl are inserted into an automatic roller for application of the printed vinyl, and whilst peeling off the backing, the two become one. Lastly, the sign is sent to a fully automatic loading, bending and unloading machine, able to complete one panel every 45 seconds. This will create the folded edge, which gives strength to the sign in which stands will be inserted. The product is now ready for shipment, and in just a few days, all 950 signs will be delivered to the customer.